guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another video, and this one's just showing the process of how I create my crystal necklaces for you guys. So if you want to see the process, stay tuned and see the finished outcome. By the way, if you notice my hands look a little bit crusty, please excuse that. Your girl does not get her nails or her hands done that often, so I do apologize if you see a little bit of ash. As you can see right here, I'm just showing you that last little piece of how I finish up the rows right before I am finished with the entire piece, which is amazing because by this point my fingers were they were kind of cramping up a little bit just because I did take this. I don't have it in a video, but I did actually take this apart one other time because I didn't wrap it correctly and it kept slipping off. But as you can see, this is my beautiful creation and I'm going to be very proud of this one. So at this point in the video, you see me take it off the camera for a bit, and that's because I was looking at the design and showing my boyfriend that was beside me, or who was beside me. I was just like, hey, does this look good? He agreed that I did look decent. So I then grabbed my 20 gauge wire and proceeded to make like this a loop for the cord to actually run through. So you're gonna see the whole process of that and me pulling that through and then wrapping that with a smaller wire. It was the 24 gauge gold wire that I did do the actual necklace in, just to give it more of a look. But I'll let y'all watch that process and then I'll come back. do also want to take the time and say thank you to everyone who has purchased from me. I really do appreciate it. You guys don't know how much excitement runs through my veins every time I see an order or see somebody interested in ordering from me. So literally every time I see something on Etsy pop up like, oh, you have a new order, or somebody has favorited your item or your shop, I literally squeal. Like, it's the best feeling ever. It's the best feeling I've ever felt. And just being someone that people will go to purchase something that they love. Um, and I have received positive feedback, and it's lovely to hear. So I hope to continue to make these things for y'all, and hopefully stuff that y'all do like. Because this Friday I also plan to launch a collection of gemstone rings, so that will also be available to you guys. Those I haven't really came up with a price yet. I have an idea for a price that is very reasonable considering the time it takes to make and the materials I use. So just stay tuned for that update to my shop on Friday. I should have it maybe live before 12 p.m. that day. My Etsy shop is Last Day Sagittarius. I will leave a link down in the description. So if you were interested in checking that out or waiting for the rings to drop, you can go ahead and favorite the shop, like the shop, and just stay updated. Right here, you can see me continue or at least start to wrap the loop that I've made for the cord. This is just to give it more of a look, so it doesn't look as plain. It looks better, honestly, double wrapped. Plus it also tightens up and strengthens the loop, so I guess if you have like normal wear and tear like I do at my job, I work in a warehouse, it keeps up really well. It doesn't bend or anything like that. Also, it's sturdy enough to hold the crystal. So yeah, that's pretty much just what I'm doing, just looping it through any sort of way. Like, I guess give it variety, make it kind of random. And I believe in this one I did put like a piece of wire or a double piece of wire in the middle so it can have like that split look. I can't really describe it that well, but you'll see what I'm talking about when it's finished. Also, homegirl just realized that she needs to order a new mic. Like right now, I'm using my AirPods and I'm listening to the playback on this video. I'm starting to realize how muffled I sound, and it's not the most pleasant sound. So, to give y'all a better quality of a video, oh man, my AC is running. To give y'all a better quality of this, like of the video, I will go ahead and probably invest in a microphone, hopefully soon. If I don't, I am so sorry, but I am trying. So I decided to cut the part of me rapping the rest of the loop just because it was kind of repetitive. I decided to speed it up, but then I was like, nah, that's still gonna take a while. So right here, I'm just measuring the length of cord that the customer had asked me for. She specifically asked for a 20-inch cord so it can hang down a little bit lower. So I just measured that out and did that right here. And you will see me assemble the pieces to the cord to actually make the necklace cord. So yeah, that's what you'll see right here. It might take, I think it took a little bit just because the pieces are really small, but I'm gonna just let you watch that part and watch me struggle because I struggle a lot. This is the last part, and I mean last part of my struggle. Now the necklace is assembled. I'm just kind of showing you the lobster clasp and how it opens, even though y'all probably already know. And you'll see me just put that on through that loop and clip that together. And then after this part, I'm gonna just show you the packaging. I'll just show you like my packaging pretty much. It's nothing extravagant as of right now. Right now it's just more cost efficient, but it still looks cute. It still looks really cute. Looks really, really cute to me and to the people that have received it. So we're just gonna keep it at that. But yeah. Alright, boom. Here is the plastic baggie that I use. And kaboom, there is the thank you sticker that I put on the front of that baggie. That baggie, I just put the jewelry piece, or in this case, the jewelry piece is a necklace. I just insert that in the sleeve to protect it in transit and to also make sure nothing gets tangled up too much. So when you pull it out, you have like a nice little package, and you'd be like, "Oh, I got a package in a package." So that's pretty exciting. And then when I do that, I also have my business card, which I am currently about to show. I was wrong. I haven't shown it yet. Oh, there it is. So that's the business card that I have. I normally put that in there separate from the package. So yeah. Right here, you'll see me write my customer's name. I hope you don't mind. That's the only thing I put, just your first name. But I will insert my business card first in most cases, just to make sure it's in there correctly. And then I will put the necklace like literally in front of it. So when you pull out your necklace, or when you open your package, the necklace would be the first thing that you see, and then you'll get a business card. And then I'll just seal that up really nice and tight. And then I will grab my lovely dovely sticker that says thank you. It's handmade especially for you. And I'll just slap that right there in the middle. And that's literally it. That's literally how I package my items. And I hope you enjoy. So, waving with my crusty hand. See you guys.